Well, despite the weather on the way, the Iowa Girls High School Athletic Union says the state tournament will carry on at Wells Fargo Arena. Our Lindsay Burrell caught up with some fans at the well ahead of this snow. Yeah, Lindsay, what are you hearing today?
Yeah, Janae, as you can see behind me and here at times, this weather isn't bothering anyone in the sense of their spirits surrounding girls state basketball. We just knew this nice spring-like weather we saw was too good to be true, especially around girls state basketball time, where rain, snow, or shine, people are going to be here for these games, and these games are going to be happening. But that also means that people from around the state are going to be traveling here to Des Moines to get to the well. We spoke with the Iowa State Patrol earlier today about what fans need to keep in mind ahead of tomorrow's weather.
Prepare ahead. Get those plans ahead. You know that the games are probably still going to go on, but plan ahead. Get down here early or get home early, whichever one it may be. But plan ahead, plan accordingly, and if you have to stay the night, please do stay the night.
And Sergeant Dinkless says if you're on the fence about getting a hotel, play it safe and stay put, as you never really know when those interstates could close down, and we're going to be dealing with some really harsh winds. But here at the well, the weather is not putting a damper on the excitement, as students and fans are eager as ever to cheer on their teams.
Of course, yes.
I hope so. We are the best rated fan base.
We'll be here 3:15 on Thursday.
Yep. So the student section that we have are high schoolers. They're not very loud. They like to sit a lot.
Yeah.
Us, on the other hand, we are super loud. And we love to support our fans.
We love to cheer for them because we're their biggest
number
fan.
one fan.
Number one fans. Also, I think a little bit easier said than done when you know you're going to be a passenger driving in these conditions. Janae, another thing that people always need to be thinking about as well is having the Iowa 511 app, especially if they're traveling from around the state. That will give them then real-time updates of road conditions. But here live from the well, spirits are still very high ahead of the snow.
Oh yeah, we can hear that buzz in the air at the well. Thanks a lot, Lindsay.